Hello everyone, this is Taro Honso. Today, I'll show you how to use invite fellows into your fellow organization. Because each organization of fellow is independent, you can invite friends to establish different circles for different purposes. How to use it? Click the Main Menu button in the lower left corner of the Fellow main window, and click the Invite Members option in the menu. In the pop-up window, enter the mailbox of the member you want to invite. The invited members will receive invitation mails in their mailboxes. Please click the buttons in the invitation mail and enter basic personal information to join the organization. Scenario: in school, invite your schoolmates to join the organization, create a group chat, use the group talkie function, and talk freely. In the company, invite colleagues into the organization, create group chats, use voting functions, etc., to improve work efficiency.